Dear students, good morning. This is the fourth module of lesson friction. Today we are going to study fluid friction. At the end of this module, you can able to explain fluid friction, identify streamlined shape object from nature, and also you can understand that how can reduce fluid friction. Students, do you know what is fluid friction? We already studied static friction, rolling friction, sliding friction like that. So what is fluid friction? You know that air is very light and thin, yet it exerts frictional force on object moving through it. Similarly, water and other liquids exert force of friction when objects move through them. In science, the common name of gases and liquids is fluids. So we can say that fluids exert force of friction on object in motion through them. The frictional force exerted by fluids is called drag. The frictional force on an object in a fluid depends on its speed with respect to the fluid. The frictional force also depends on the shape of the object and the nature of the fluid. It is obvious that when objects move through fluid, they have to overcome friction acting on them. In this process, they lose energy. In order to reduce this energy loss, objects are given special shapes. Scientists get hints for these special shapes from nature. Birds and fishes have to move about in fluids all the time. Their bodies must have evolved to shape which would make them lose less energy in overcoming friction. Students, look carefully at the shape of an aeroplane and boat. Do you find any similarity in its shape and that of a bird and a fish? Objects which are made to move in the fluid are made streamlined shape to reduce friction offered by fluid. A streamlined body is a shape that lowers the friction drag between a fluid like air and water and an object moving through that fluid. It offers a minimum resistance to air and water by its particular type of body shape. For aeroplanes, the surface is having streamlined shape, and for ships also in the water to reduce the fluid friction. Students, today we discussed about fluid friction and also what is a streamlined body, how to reduce fluid friction. Hope you understood this module. Read your textbook thoroughly. Watch this video. Thank you.